Oh, push. No. I told you that you were. We can go to the gate car stuff first. We don't want to gate car. Okay, what is that? Okay, wait a minute. We can go to the gate car. Well, no. Well, if you say you have to. Well, we want something like that. I had another car. So, it's about. Watch out, because you ain't gonna do that shit. So watch out. God, you're supposed to me. Jackie, help me with this. Once again, you know she's watching a new movie. Last week, she wasn't a movie at the time.
Oh no.